So you want the bad side, the wrong side, facing up so that the good side is underneath. So this is the child's side that we'll see, and this side will back onto the afghan. What I want you to do is place your afghan on top of it, and you can see that it's pretty close to being able to do a match, and that's based on the dimensions that we had. So now what we want to do is that we want to crochet with intention to be able to put these two together. So let's just fold it up like so. So what you want to do is that when you chain one, you want to use that particular space in order to attach to these stitches. Now I'm not saying that this stitch count matches this one, so you're gonna have to eye it up a little bit and make it stretch, but once you get onto this concept, it goes actually pretty good. So you want to switch back to the hook size that you were using in your project, and that's the size that you want to continue so that the crochet side doesn't appear to be changing. So you can use any color yarn that you wish, and so I'm just gonna create a slip knot and go right into a corner of the square. Okay, so we're gonna go right into a corner of the square, and I want to go into a corner of the fleece itself, and I want to pull the yarn through to slip stitch, chain one, and you have choices here. You can either attach with a single crochet, a half double, a double, it doesn't matter. You can decide what works for you. So into the same one, I want you to do a single crochet if you're gonna do that. If not, you could just chain 3 and do double crochet, anything like that. So you want to move across your stitch work here in the front side, and you want to try to get every stitch on the front side. The back side you can just improvise a little bit because the stitch counts won't match each other. So you just want to kind of just look at it. So sometimes you can put a stitch into the same one in the back, and sometimes you can just skip forward in order to keep it moving along. The goal is to keep it sandwiched together so that by the time you get to the end of the row across is that they're ready to be together at the end of the row. So don't get it to the point that one will be right shorter than the other. Just kind of eye it up and just make your best judgment as you're being able to go across. So just single crochet or any of the stitches that you decided to do and work your way across, just eyeing it up in order to get it perfect. Now because you're using the same color as you did attaching the back, it's gonna look perfect on the back anyway, and the front's gonna look perfect because every stitch will have something. So please just go all the way to the first corner, and I'll see you there in just a moment. I think a great tip at this moment, if you're experiencing one is not lining up with the other, just make sure that you're kind of eyeing it up and doing it as you go. Don't just wait to the end and realize, oh my goodness, I got a lot to change up for. Just kind of eye it up and just make those decisions on the fly as you're going across so that you don't end up with an area that looks all buckled. So if it's more evenly spaced, you can get away with it's amazing what you can get away with yarn. So just continuing to go all the way across and attaching them. I'll see you at the corner. So I'm coming up all the way to the corner, and it's actually turning out pretty awesome. So I want to treat both of them going into the corner at the same spot. So right here in the corner, and then here in the chain 2 and the other corner, just single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet back into the same one, and then just turn your project and continue along. So just keep on matching, and then again just kind of eyeing it up, keeping an eye on where things are in the row as you're going all the way across, and continue to go. And you can see the difference. Look at the backing now of this section here, and it's completely attached and it looks amazing. So let's keep on going around. So now I'm coming all the way back to where I had started, and I've gone completely around my panel. So in your particular case, if you're doing the big afghan, then you're going to then just get all the way around and you're good to go. So to go to the final corner, don't forget we have the single crochet, then chain 2, and then just slip stitch to the top. So you can continue with this color, but right now you can go as big as you need to go now because your border is completely done, and when you turn it over then the fleece is actually attached too. So it's really kind of an awesome idea. So you can just turn something that's ordinary, make it extraordinary, and you can have your fleece as well. So to fasten off, if you would like to go any bigger, you can do so, and if you don't, then you're satisfied the way it is, then just take your darning needle and just weave it in and out 3 times of your project. So just I like to work on it going in this direction, so I just go across, just stay up underneath the stitches, don't impede with the outside edge so it doesn't affect anything. So just once, go in a different path, for twice, and then go in the other path for 3 times. So on the cruise we're hoping that you go a little bit beyond this particular step, make your border amazing.